lovely day. The ones I love are okay. A butterfly, just fly this way.